Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and I don't know how I could refuse such a polite request. I shall factorise this thing. Okay, so first step. Are there any common factors? Yes, this ends in 5. There's a 5 here, so we'll take out the 5. X cubed minus, now 5s into 35 goes 7r, 27. Okay, what have we got here? Well, that's a cube. So 5x cubed minus 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Next thing to recognize is that this part of what we have here is the difference of cubes. Sorry, that should be b. A cubed minus b cubed. And this factorizes in a very particular way. It factorizes like this. You might have been expecting linear factors here. The reason that you don't have linear factors has to do with the way that this equation graphs. It's only going to have one x-intercept. And when you see the quadratic that results from this, hopefully you'll understand why there aren't real linear factors for this. So let's go to work anyway. A is equal to x, b is equal to 3. That's important. Okay, to work. Don't forget the 5. X minus 3. That's a minus b. A squared is x squared. AB is the same as BA, so that is 3x. We'll write that as 3x, even though that's A and that's B. And that should be a plus. And then B squared, which is 3 squared. Okay, tidying this up, 5x minus 3, that gives us our x-intercept, x squared plus 3x plus 9. And this is the reason that there aren't two linear factors here. What are the factors of 9 that add to 3? Well, if you can figure that out in your head, you're better than I am. If you try the quadratic formula on this, which is where I'd start, what you're going to find is that when you get to the part of the quadratic formula that is the discriminant, you're going to be looking for a negative square root, which is going to tell you that this thing has no real solutions for x. Doesn't mean you can't graph this. It just means that it's got one x-intercept, and this determines the shape of the rest of the cubic, either above or below the x-axis, but it doesn't touch the x-axis, and that's important. Anyway, this is the factorized form of this, and it can be done really, really quickly if you keep this in mind. It's called the difference of two cubes, the difference of cubes perhaps. There is a corresponding sum of cubes which you'll find in the playlist. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.